In this video, I'll show you how to change your Facebook page name on both PC and mobile. Let's start with the process on PC. This is the main Facebook homepage. To change the name of your page, first, navigate to your profile by clicking on your page name. Once you're on the page, scroll down and click on Page Settings. On the left-hand side, scroll down until you see an option called Page Setup. Click on it. Here, you'll find several options, including page name and page access. To change the name, click on the Edit button next to the page name. Enter your new page name, and once you confirm the change, keep in mind that it will take 60 days before you can change it again. So, be sure about the name you want to use. From this same section, you can also manage page access. If you want to add an admin or another team member to your page, click on Page Access and add someone. Additionally, you can check the page status here. This shows if your page has any issues, such as violations or copyright strikes. If your page is in good standing, it will display messages like no issues or no violations. Now, let's move on to the mobile process. On mobile, the steps are very similar. Open the Facebook app and go to your page. Click on the main menu. Then scroll down and select Settings and Privacy. Click on Settings, scroll further down, and you'll find the Page Setup option. Here, just like on PC, you can change your page name by clicking on it. Remove the old name, type in the new one, and confirm the change. Again, remember, you won't be able to change it again for 60 days. If you need to manage page access on mobile, the process is the same. Click on Page Access, and you can add an admin or other team members. That's it. Changing your Facebook page name is easy and quick, whether you're on a PC or a mobile phone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tutorials. Thanks for watching,